Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. There is Kim Yo Jung. Kim Yo Jung is a South Korean actress. She debuted as a model for a confectionery brand at the age of 5. After her acting debut in 2003, she became one of the best known child actresses in Korea and since then has transitioned into teen roles by starring in television series Donggi, Moon Embracing the Sun, McQueen, and Angry Mom. She hosted music show in Giggle from November 2014 to April 2016 and took on her first leading role in KBS2's historical drama Love in the Moonlight. Considered Korea's little star when she was a child actress, Kim has since been dubbed Saegik Fairy after starring in several acclaimed historical dramas in her career. In 2017, she ranked 8th on Forbes Korea Power Celebrity list, the youngest to be included in the top 10 at 17-year-old. Kim was born in Seoul, South Korea on September 22, 1999 as the youngest of three siblings. Her older sister Kim Yeon-jung debuted as an actress in 2017. Kim attended Goyoung High School of Arts and graduated in January 2018. Kim deferred taking the National College Scholastic Ability Test in 2017 and instead deciding to focus on her acting career. After Kim's acting debut when she was 4, she quickly became one of the most in-demand child actresses in Korea. By the time she was a 5th grader, Kim had already appeared in 13 TV dramas and 15 movies. In 2008, she received her acting award as Best Child Actress for action adventure series Iljme. This was followed by acclaimed performance in Donghi and Flames of Desire, The Revolt of Mumio. Marked Kim's first major role that was not the childhood counterpart of the female protagonist. She rose to popularity in 2012 when she starred in the fantasy period drama Moon Embracing the Sun, which reunited Kim with the Revolt of Gumyo co-star Letty Ri and Izumi co-star Yi Jin-gu. Moon surpassed 40% rating and gained national drama status in Mets due to her good portrayal of the young protagonist. She received multiple nominations in the 48th Baeksang Arts Award and she won as Best Young Actress in the first K-Drama Star Awards and MBC Drama Award. She followed this with a well-received turn in My Queen and a supporting role in the 2013 film Commitment and family drama Golden Rainbow. In 2014, Kim's performance as a teenage bully in Thread of Lives drew critical acclaim. She next played a traditional funeral singer in the single-episode drama special anthology and was cast in the horror mystery Room 731, an English language graduate thesis film by USC filmmaker Young Min Kim. This was followed by a starring role in the period drama Secret Door. Kim also began hosting music show in Kigyo in November 2014 and left the show in April 2016. In 2015, she starred in the television series Angry Mom, which tackled bullying and school violence. The same year, she reprised her role as a cat-turned-woman in Love Cells, a two-season web series adapted from the webtoon of the same title, and played a murderer's daughter in the thriller film Circle of Atonement. In August 2016, Kim starred in the first adult leading role alongside Park Bo-gum in the youth historical drama Love is in the Moonlight. A domestic hit, Moonlight achieved peak audience rating of 23.3% and its popularity was referred to as Moonlight Syndrome. Kim won Excellence Award Actress in a Midland Drama for portraying Moonlight's cross-dressing heroine at the 30th KBS Drama Award. In 2017, she starred with Cha Tae-hoon in the romantic comedy film Because I Love You. Kim also had her first overseas fan meeting tour with Taipei, Taiwan at the first stop at, at Showbox on February 4, 2017. In 2018, Kim starred in the romantic comedy drama Clean with Passion for Now based on the webtoon of the same name. She plays an employee at a cleaning company who does not care about dirtiness. In 2020, Kim was cast in the romantic comedy drama Backstreet Rookie alongside Ri Chang-wook based on the webtoon of the same name. She plays the role of a former school bully who becomes a part of employee at a convenience store. The actress is said to be attending action school in order to perform her own stunts, and the production staff stated Kim Yo Jong has been working hard on fight scenes and wire action for her role as Jung Set Bol. Please anticipate the unique transformation that Kim Yo Jong will undergo. During the SBS Drama Award 2020 held last December 31, 2020, Kim Yo Jong was chosen to be the main host together with Shin Dong-yeop. At the same event, Kim was awarded the Excellence Award in miniseries for her great portrayal of her role as Jung Se-byul in the series Backstreet Rookie. In December 2020, Kim Yo Jong was confirmed to be the female lead role in the highly anticipated historical fantasy drama Hong Chun-ji, adapted from the novel written by Jung Gyun-gyeol, the same writer of the novels which were also adapted into hit drama series Song Kyun-kwan Scandal and Moon Embracing the Sun. Kim will play the titular role of Hong Chun-ji, the Gusun's density only female painter who was born blind but miraculously gains vision. She will be working with Eunyo Seop as Harem, a blind astrologer who is able to read the stars despite having lost his sight. Gungmung as Prince Angyup, a free-spirited romantic who goes with the flow and loves poetry, literature, and art, and Si Young as Prince Soyoung, a cruel and ambitious prince determined to be the king at all cost. In 2021, Kim appeared in the mystery thriller Netflix film The Eighth Night in the role of the enigmatic physic. If you like my video, then hit the like button and share to your friends. If you want to see more videos like that, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.